Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm here to thank all of you for supporting me, for subscribing Rudra DIY Crafts, and finally we are a family of 1000 subscribers. So as I have promised before that I will make a video tutorial on how to make a YouTube play button. So I will upload that video very soon. Till then, let me have a look on the Gmail that I got from YouTube. And it's written here that Rudra DIY Crafts. We always knew this day would come and we hope you did too. Well, I have never thought that I will have this much of audience. I have never thought of this. And thanks to all of you for being here. And going ahead, you are doing amazing work and we could not be happier for you. Now go share this GIF and good news using hashtag 1kcreator. 3 cheers for you, the YouTube team. Well, thank you YouTube for have such a platform, for giving us such a platform to show our ideas. So thanks to YouTube and thanks to all the viewers, thanks to all of you. So I have another announcement for you, and that is there will be no more videos on Saturdays. And why so? Because normally I make videos on weekends, means Saturday and Sunday. So what I thought that if I will upload the videos on Friday or Thursday, then you can also try making those projects in your weekend holidays. So thinking of that, from the next week and ahead, we will upload videos on Thursdays. So see you next week. Till then, be cool, work smart.